Hello everyone, welcome again to another video. Today I'll be reviewing this Sony MDR ZX110 overhead headphones. They are basic. I got them from Amazon. I purchased them yesterday and I got them today. It was the next day delivery through the Amazon Prime. This is how it looks like. The box looks very nice. The packaging is very nice, as you can see from there. Very nice, very stylish. So I like the packaging for by itself. So let's check what's inside. Yeah, it was a struggle trying to open the box, because I had to take the tape out on the sides. Okay, hold on. You can skip this part. The previous part. I don't know if you want to. Oh yeah, this is how it looks like. I can tell you that I was very impressed how the packaging came. It looks very nice, to be honest. It looks pretty nice. This is how, see, they've got this in this bag, a plastic bag. It's a plastic bag. It's very soft it's a plastic bag, but it's a very soft plastic bag, and it comes with some instructions for you to read. This is like the normal packaging. Most of the items comes with something to read, and this is how it looks like inside. I love the little plastic bag. They pack it with care. Okay, this is my new headphones. I just wanted something for the work that I'm doing now. This is how it looks like. They are very I don't know how to say, very firm. And the headphones by itself is very lightweight, so they're not too heavy. They don't feel too heavy on your head, and you can adjust it on the sides if you want. And you can extend them, so if you want to fold them, you can fold them when you don't need them, and you can extend them when you want to use them. And that sign it shows like left, that was right. I think right and left, they've got like a symbol, so you don't get confused on how to put on your headphones. They are I can tell you, they are very they are very lightweight, very nice design for just the basic headphones. If you don't need anything extra, like you don't want to break your bank to buy some headphones which are pretty expensive. I know there can be a lot of headphones out there which are a bit expensive, but if it is something cheaper and affordable, just go for this Sony as they are very affordable on the budget, and they do the same job. I don't know, maybe the expensive one in terms of sound they might be more nicer, but I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. I'm happy with them. I'm happy with the design, because I'll be using them for basic job that I'm doing right now, and it requires to have the headphones, so this will be a great option for me. And they even, I think they even recommend them to use this kind of headphones. So if you are like a you're doing work that requires to listen to some audios, you can and you don't wanna break a bank, you can buy them for your work, or even just on your day-to-day activities, like if you like to listen to music whatever during the day. Yeah, normal stuff. So today I'm sorry, now I'll be testing the quality of the sound and see how it will turn out. So this everything here, this is like the first time, as you can see when I was opening the box, and I did like the sound of it. Yeah, it's the summed up for me. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you.